Tell me what to do.
Tell me what to do.
Okay, tell me what to do.
Just tell me what to do.
Well, I'll read, and you tell me what to do.
Okay.
Don't you ever fucking tell me what to do, all right? I control my life, not you.
Do you want to see the cradle of life or not?
You tell me what to do with it.
Shut up, Edward. You're scaring her. Tell me what to do. You're not my father.
I need to be with my children. And I'll do anything to do that. You just tell me what to do.
You can't tell me what to do anymore. I know who I am now.
Don't let that happen.
Then tell me what to do, madam.
You have to work that out on your own.
I'd have a step like that, cowboy. You're gonna get us killed.
Don't tell me what to do.
Shh.
We're long past the opportunity for noble sacrifice.
Then tell me what to do.
The dinosaur's alive! What do I do? Just tell me what to do!
Read the instructions. It explains everything.
What are you doing?
Waiting for you to tell me what to do?
I shouldn't have to tell you to do things. You should just do them.
Don't die on me, Bob.
Don't tell me what to do.
You don't get to tell me what to do. Ever again.
I'm sorry, my suffering is nothing. It's just I feel so lost. I don't know what to do. Tell me what to do.
I don't know what else to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
I don't know what to do.
Tell me how I should be.
I don't know.
Just tell me. I'll do it.